Is there any way to slow down a jet ski for someone who is new to riding jet skis? Not for me, but for someone else. Well, thankfully, most new watercraft do offer learning modes. Kawasaki used to have a learning key. It was a yellow key. Yamaha has a learning mode that you can go in through the Connect dash and you can put in. Sea-Doo has eco mode, which is they've had that since 2009, 2008. And eco mode is effectively a learning mode. Sea-Doo's used to have a green lanyard, which was also a learning mode as well. So all those options there, and these are effectively 2008 and up, do have some sort of learning mode.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.